Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily turn on Bluetooth on iPhone. So for doing this you just need to swipe up this menu and here you will see Bluetooth button. So if you see it with background white color, it means that you turn off Bluetooth, and if you click on it you will see blue background here, it means that you successfully turn on Bluetooth. So another option, you can also turn on Bluetooth. So just go to the settings, and in settings you will find Bluetooth. Here you can see it. Just go here, just go to the Bluetooth, and here you will see all of your devices you connect previous time to your Bluetooth. And also you can turn off here or turn on. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.